Today I want to show you 6 alcohol burner hacks you can use anytime when you have no cooking rack with you by using other items you probably didn't think of. Let's start with some barbecue skewers in combination with tent herrings. Stick the skewers into the ground in a triangle and place the pegs in the eyelets all around, and you get a nice DIY tripod stand. You can also combine the skewers with 3 stones in a triangle and use the skewers that you simply insert into each other as a great barbecue tray. With this more stable method you can even place a cast iron pan on top to fry on. Or how about just using your tent pegs, which you place in a triangle directly in the spirit burner. This even works with a few old nails, or if you prefer, a few screws. It's more stable than it looks. Try it out yourself. If you only have a few tent pegs with you, simply stick them into the ground around the burner. This will also give you a nice stand for your kettle. I would like to know if you knew all of these methods. And if you learned something new today. Tell me in the comments.